Administrative Services Managers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Administrative Services Managers plan, direct, and coordinate supportive services of an organization. Work environment. Most Administrative Services Managers work full-time. Some of them work over 40 hours a week. How to become one. Although educational requirements for Administrative Services Managers vary depending on the type of organization and on the work they do. They typically have a bachelor's degree and must have related work experience. Salary. The median annual wage for Administrative Services Managers is $96,940. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, the employment of administrators is expected to increase by 6%, faster than the average for all professions. Tasks such as managing facilities and being prepared for emergencies will remain important in a wide range of industries. Certification. Voluntary may enhance career prospects. Experience. Varies. Related experience common and required for certification. Key skills. Leadership, analytical and communication skills, attention to detail, ability to use industry-specific software, such as those used for accounting, desktop publishing, and enterprise resource planning, knowledge of clerical and administrative procedures. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comments section.